Today, I'm doing a fast match comparison between the GoPro Mission 1 Pro and its dedicated night mode, and the difference is actually bigger than you'd expect for a camera that shares the same core hardware. Both modes are built on the same setup: a 1-inch 50 megapixel sensor, the GP3 processor, and that ultra-wide 15mm f2.8 lens. So on paper, you're working with identical power. But once you switch into night mode, everything changes. In standard Pro mode, you get up to 8K at 60 FPS, crazy detail, and loads of flexibility for cropping. But in low light, you'll start seeing grain and motion artifacts. Night mode drops you down to 4K, but it uses pixel binning and AI noise reduction to pull way more light into each frame. Shadows clean up, skies stay natural, and the image looks way more usable straight out of camera. Stabilization is the real win here. Night mode keeps motion smooth, without that ghosting you usually get at slow shutter speeds. Bottom line, Pro mode is for detail. Night mode is for usable low-light footage.